As you know, all the health workers are using personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, as they treat the coronavirus patients. Face shield is simple, transparent, and it's a screen that covers the face and helps prevent infection droplet from entering our eyes, our nose, and our mouth. Let me show you the things that you need to make a face shield. You'll need a scissors, a sponge, some sponge, a pen, rubber bands, a blade, a puncher, tape, scissors, and an old file. First, measure the length of the tape. I already measured the length of my face. So, after you cut it, fold it, and then put the paper in and paste it from inside, and then fold it again. After you've done this, punch 2 holes, this side and this side. I already punched 2 holes. Now we have to put the tape on top of it. Make sure it goes everywhere. Now paste the sponge on it. After you've pasted the sponge, take one of the rubber bands and cut it like this. Now take the elastic band out, bring it inside and slide it under here. And then to the other side, from the outside to the inside. And slide it under. And there you have it, your own face mask. I mean, your face shield. Try it on. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Science Squad!